It's gonna be slippery here.
It's kind of turning out to be a bit tough. Let's go. But check this out.
We can see Zermatt now over there.
We decided to take shelter in a kid's treehouse.
We're gonna start our hike. It's gonna take around 4 hours to reach Zermatt. Right now we're at the top of Gornergrat. Let's go. So this is the train which we took to come up the Gornergrat mountain top. It's quite steep. Be careful.
She's telling you all watching at home, be careful while watching this video.
Started raining again. Have to wear my jacket back. Sometimes it gets hot if the sun comes, and when the rain comes it gets quite chilly. Look at the glacier. The camera doesn't capture the beauty as is. You have to come here and see the real beauty.
We finally reached the lake, and we were worried that we will not have a good view of Matterhorn because it was covered with clouds, but check this out.
Finally clear sky.
The Matterhorn has risen.
We finally got the reflection. See this? Isn't it beautiful? We can see Zermatt now over there, but still a long way to go. I think maybe 2 more hours, 2.5 hours to reach there, and I think it's gonna rain there. It's quite dark there. Come, I'm quite tired now. Let's go. We are here at Riffle Park after hiking for 2 hours. So here you will get multiple restaurants, and there's a cable car that goes down and up. If you don't want to hike down, you can either take this cable car, or there's a train as well. So now we are going to hike again towards river. What is the name?
Riffle Park.
Riffle Alp. Yeah, we're here at Riffle Alp, and we will go to Riffle Alp.
Bruh.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Can you hear the birds chirping? There's Zermatt. We're getting closer. Let's go, let's go. So Gaurav has convinced me to take the longer route. We're gonna take 1 hour extra to reach Zermatt.
1 hour. On what status it is based on? And first of all, don't you like the views?
Yeah, but yeah,
Like
I can't deny we
from
have.
this angle,
a good
Matterhorn
view.
seems the tallest that we have ever seen.
And yeah, on the other trail, we will not be able to see this river. It's raining over there, and now it has started drizzling here as well. Come on.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Ramlun Banglai represent. You're doing great. Come on. Not that high. She's just exaggerating. Okay, it's a bit. But it's nothing a Mizo warrior cannot overcome.
Almost there. 1.5 hours more. And it's raining. Come on, we can do this.
This is one of the best hikes that we have ever done.
Yeah,
And we are proud. We are super proud.
proud.
We are able to continue. I'm proud of this one. From Isol represent. That she's able to keep up. Well, let's do this. We're almost there. Come.
Almost there, almost there. It's raining right now, so we'll be resting there for some time. Can you hear the thunder? It's gonna be slippery here. Along the trails you will see these signs. So it will show you which route to take. Oh God, we still need to go way down.
We're still trekking back. It's kind of turning out to be a bit tough. But there's nothing that we can handle. Come on, let's do it. So we came all the way from there till here. Man, I'm gonna check my step count, and if today it has not reached 40k, then I don't think so it'll ever. Yeah. Oof. So this is the river that we were seeing from above, and now we are finally here. Feels really good. It was a tough one to get down here, but we finally made it. The water flow is crazy today. As you can see, it's pouring down from the barrier. And just on the opposite side where we are standing, we just discovered this cave. Not sure where it leads to, but it does look a bit scary. Ooh, that's spooky. Hey there. So it started to rain a bit heavy. So we decided to take shelter in a kid's treehouse. Let me show you how it looks like. But before that, let me show you the park that is behind me. So this treehouse is within a park. So you have benches here, you have a fireplace here, you can also barbecue here if you want. The wood is kept in the shed, so you can just take it. And there is also a washroom here. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna wait here until the rain stops pouring or slows down a bit. And yeah, let's see. So this is the tree house that we are in. Hello. It's quite sturdy, well made. Reminds New Boy of her childhood. Pretty good. So we have left the tree that we were taking shelter in, and now this is our pathway. There was also an interesting bridge in the middle that this person in the pink did not want to climb on. Thank you, thanks for that. But I think it's safe to say that you are adventurously challenged. Who will not? Yeah, it has been a fun and a tiring day at the same time. Now let's reach home. The worry for us now is we need to reach Zermatt before 8 so that we can grab some food from Coop. So let's reach Zermatt safely. Let's go. So that's the bridge I wanted us to climb. So if we would have taken that way, we would have reached Zermatt probably in 50 minutes. But now, because of this female, okay, no. So now so actually it was my mistake. We mistook this route, and now it's gonna take us some 1 hour 10 minutes to reach Zermatt. So let's go. So these are the kind of views that we have along the way. Look at these cute cottages. Looks really good and neat. But let's continue our walk. We need to reach Zermatt before 8. We can do this. Walking on the normal road was kind of getting boring for us, so we decided to take this cycle trek. So from here, the route that we are taking, through this route, Zermatt is just 3 kilometers away. So let's see. I think we would be able to reach quite faster as compared to if you would have stuck to the road.
We thought we are not gonna see this black-nosed sheep. They are here in Zuri village. Zuri, or which village is this? Yeah, some village. Glad we took this route then. Hello! Bye bye.
Hey there, so we reached our place in Zermatt. It was a long and a tiring walk. So we just went to Coop directly, like as fast as we could, grabbed whatever we could for eating right now, and this is all we have. Whatever I could grab, we just have it now, and now we're gonna just have a food and then just call it a day. And then yeah, see you all tomorrow.
So exhausted. Good night.